What has to be in your Christmas barrel?
Well, you don't know, you know. From a yard thing you deal with, Irish Springs a must. And the underpants them too. And don't forget the bully beef neither. With the little mackerel, is it? Sardine as well and tuna. But that a code. You don't do it to Bother Road.
Definitely need some gym shoes because, you know, trying to get fit for the 2025. You know, after that Christmas feast, we don't know, so I'll get some belly. So we need to work it off next year and get fit again for the rest of the year.
Lots of money. Money we need for Christmas. Everything is there.
Rice and flour and decoration and your sheet and your curtain. Mostly the Christmas barrel. And sweetie for the kids then.
I usually pack the barrels. What I would pack for this Christmas, I would pack rice, definitely a lot of rice. I would pack a lot of flour. I will pack some clothes and soap. Yeah, and soap.
Well, I would like some food and clothes, tin stuff, clothes, shoes, etc.
Well, it's a little food. You know, some nice sheets and clothes, cologne and what have you, you know.
Money in my Christmas barrel so I can spend buy other things for my Christmas put on my business. So that's all about money. And we need enough love for the Christmas.
We need food. We need something more, you know, I don't want no fancy thing. I just want to have something for me where I know something I got full joy, enjoy.
Like what?
Like clothes, food, you know? Yeah, things that can stay till for about 2 months. Yeah, whole heap of food. Rice, tin things, yeah, me that.